In the previous video, we explored the concept of nesting in programming. Now let's move on to another fundamental and universal concept: arrays. Before diving into arrays, let's quickly recall how regular variables work. We've used data types like int, char, float, and double. But here's the catch: a single variable can hold only one value at a time. If you assign a new value, the old one gets erased. Imagine you want to store the roll numbers of 1,000 students. Using individual variables like roll1, roll2, up to roll 1,000 is not only impractical, but your entire code might end up just declaring variables. This is where arrays come in. Arrays allow you to store multiple values of the same type under a single name. So instead of writing 1,000 variables, you can write int roll 1,000 and done. Arrays are such a powerful idea that they exist in almost every programming language, even if the syntax is slightly different. Why arrays are universal? Arrays are everywhere in programming because they help with efficient memory handling, easy iteration with loops, building blocks for more complex data structures like lists, stacks, and queues, and most importantly, organized indexed storage. A note on differences. Some languages like Python don't have arrays in the traditional sense. Instead, they use lists, which are more flexible but conceptually similar. So yes, arrays or array-like structures are a universal concept in programming. Whether you're coding in C, Python, or JavaScript, arrays help you store and manage data efficiently.